Good morning, everyone. So we are actually in front of the meat shop, halal meat shop, which is in Richmond, which is half an hour from our place. So we are going to check out if they're taking proper precautions, and we need to do some groceries from this place. And so I'm going to show you around. They're very good, very clean, and it's not crowded at all. It's really clean. The place is very clean, which is very impressive. We need some atta as well. My favorite pickle. Ali, I'm looking for the green chili. I'm so happy it's not crowded at all. It's so nice and clean. Very impressive. Okay, so we are back from groceries, and I'll be making some fish tacos. I'm going to show you the recipe of fish tacos that the way I make. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm using cod for my fish tacos. So it's a very simple recipe. I will use 1 tablespoon of flour.
What's fish taco?
And I'm using black pepper and lemon. That's it. and maybe a little bit of chili flakes that I'll be adding. So I'm using this one. I got this one from Costco, lemon and pepper seasoning. It is really good. That's all. Okay, so we are mixing this, and so what I added into the fish is 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of lemon and black pepper seasoning, and a teaspoon of chili flakes, and we are going to leave it for 15 minutes. And after that, okay, so we are going to leave the fish for 15 minutes, and meanwhile we'll make our coleslaw. So for the coleslaw, we need pineapple, coriander, a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic, onions, jalapeno, and the purple cabbage. And then some lemon juice, salt, and pepper. That's it. Just adding a little bit of black pepper into the lemon juice and a little bit of salt. That's it. And that goes into the coleslaw. So this is a very healthy version of the fish tacos. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, so now we are making our sauce. So sour cream, one tablespoon of mayo, and a lot of chipotle sauce. That's good. I added a little bit of sugar because the chipotle sauce is so sour. Okay, so coleslaw is ready. Our pineapple coleslaw and our sauce is ready as well. So now we are going to pan fry our fish. Okay, the fish is ready, and now we are going to warm up the tortillas, and then we are going to assemble it. Okay, the tortilla is ready. Okay, they're ready. It's time to eat. It's time to try how they are. Look at that. Try this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ashley, take care. Bye bye.